morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds and ethers. Evaluate yourself 10. Which of the following reaction will give 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene? The reactant are 4-nitro-1-bromobenzene plus sodium methoxide, 4-nitrosodium phenoxide plus bromomethane. First I write the second equation because here bromine is added to methane. 4-nitrosodium phenoxide, C6H4ONa. This is sodium phenoxide. In the fourth position, we have 1NO2. This is nothing but 4-nitrosodium phenoxide. When treated with bromomethane, CH3Br. Now you know what happens. 1 Na plus and Br minus is removed as NaBr. Methyl plus is added to this O minus, gives our expected product C6H4OCH3. Para we have NO2, which is removed. Sodium bromide is removed. What is the name of this product? This is nothing but our 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene. So from the second reaction, we can prepare 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene. What is our first one? 4-nitro-1-bromobenzene plus sodium methoxide. 4-nitro-1-bromobenzene. What is the molecular formula? C6H4. In the fourth carbon, we have 1NO2. First carbon, 1Br. When treated with sodium methoxide, CH3ONa gives. So 4-nitro-1-bromobenzene when treated with sodium methoxide, no reaction takes place. This reactant not produce 4-nitro-1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene, because 4-nitro-1-bromobenzene cannot be used because the bromine is strongly bonded to carbon atom of benzene ring and it cannot be replaced easily. Therefore, these two reactants not give 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene. One more, evaluate yourself. In this, we are going to discuss a very easy one. Arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of their acid strength. 1 aliphatic compound, propane 1-ol, all others are aromatic compound. 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 3-nitrophenol, 3,5 dinitrophenol, phenol and 4-methylphenol. Compared with the aromatic compound, aliphatic compound is less acidic in nature. So the least acidic compound is propane 1-ol. When we compare to the aromatic compound, phenol is the main compound. 4-methyl, methyl is electron releasing group. If methyl is present in phenol, it reduces the acidic strength of phenol. So next to propane 1-ol, 4-methylphenol in aromatic compound is least stable. All others are nitro, NO2, NO2, NO2. Nitro is minus I group, we know, inductive effect. Is NO2 if attached to phenol, the compound is more acidic than phenol. But the position of NO2 is changed. Meta, then ortho, then para. If the NO2 is present in meta, less acidic, ortho, para is more acidic. So basing on this, now I am going to arrange the order of alcohol as increasing order of acid strength. Now I write the order from least acidic. Propane 1-all aliphatic alcohol is less acidic than aromatic alcohol. In fourth position we have methyl. Methyl group decreases the acid strength. 4-methyl phenol. In aromatic this is least acidic. When compared with this, phenol is more acidic. Then compared with the phenol, meta 3-nitrophenol is more acidic, meta. Then 2-nitro group 3,5-dinitrophenol, 3,5-dinitrophenol, 2-nitro group minus I effect. Finally, the more acidic compound present in 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. So this is the order of acid strength of alcohol. Now I write the reason also. Reason: aliphatic alcohols are less acidic than phenol. Therefore, propane 1-all is less acidic than phenol. If electron releasing group like methyl is attached to phenol, the compound is less acidic than phenol. First propane 1-all, the second 4-methyl phenol. Methyl is electron releasing group which decreases the acidic strength of phenol. If the electron withdrawing group like NO2 is attached to phenol, the compound is more acidic than phenol. If the NO2 present in meta, less acidic. Ortho, para means more acidic. It increases the delocalization of electron. NO2 group is minus I, inductive effect. Methyl group plus I, inductive effect. So this is the reason for acidic strength of the given compound: propane 1-all, 4-methyl phenol, phenol, 3-nitrophenol, 1-nitro group. Here we have 2-nitro group. Acidic increases 3-nitro group. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.